bringing Bluey's drawing to life.
For real? Wow!
Just with a drawing and some AI magic. First, we draw a rectangle. Now let's add 2 triangles for Bluey's ears. Next, draw the eyes and nose like me. Now add the mouth. Then we draw the arms, legs, and tail. And finally, let's color Bluey. Ask your mom or dad to take a picture of your drawing. Parents, take a photo of your child's drawing, upload it into the AI, and copy-paste the prompt we put in the description into the prompt box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!